Hello, hello! Welcome to the Bird Game Dev stream. I see Tick Spirit in the Twitch chat says they were running for their life to be on time. You don't need to do that, I promise. YouTube VOD is always there. Cedar, hello. It says you're not sure how long you'll be around. It's okay. I'm the background noise. You don't need to, you're not gonna hurt my feelings. Prime Aerospace says sup. Hello, hello. Tail is here. Welcome. Thank you for joining the Bird Game Dev stream. Today, I'm hoping to get a lot of stuff done. It's mostly boring stuff, to be honest. It's I gotta get the levels and stuff done, but I also need to make sure it works with like the main menu, and I need to make a level select screen and stuff like that. So that'll be the goal. I don't know how much I'll be talking. Most of it will just be getting stuff done. Well, let's check in and see how this other level will be going. Solved with the background? Yes and no. I think what I'll end up doing is I'll just put the trees on these levels. Teeter's gonna stay? Awesome. I will be just doing bird game stuff, so nothing too crazy. Alright. Yeah, so I think how I'll end up solving the background thing is by not doing that and just using what I have already. So I have this tile set, and I'm just gonna draw holes in the this background thing, and I'll put the trees on the other side of it. And since we're doing levels now, I can just keep reusing that. You'll also be watching Star Trek. Nice. Hopefully my Nintendo music doesn't get too distracting. Okay. Well, I guess we'll just jump right into it. The first thing I want to do is I want to... Okay. I need to duplicate this scene a bunch of times. Just to make it easier to make the levels. Your attention span is below average, so you don't know what will distract you. Yeah, that's fair. I do get distracted easily as well. I don't know if this is even a level I want to keep. Which one is this? Oh, okay. So I will end up using that. Let's rename these. And this one will be level 3. You like the Nintendo music? Yeah, I do too. I need to expand the playlist a little bit more because I keep reaching the end of it during stream. I think it's only like an hour and a half long. So I need to go back and see. No, had to go make a hot pocket. That's fair. Get comfy, get some snacks. This stream only level designing, so yeah, it'll be levels and like menus and stuff. Because right now, well, I'm gonna make a new main menu script, but this is what it did before, because I made it work with the asynchronous level loading. So it's kind of messed up right now. So I gotta make that work. But yeah, mostly levels. Okay. So one. Did I not put a background on the one? I guess I didn't. Adam, hello. Welcome to the stream. When will the sprite making stream be? I don't know if we're gonna have another one of those before the demo comes out. I think I'm just gonna try to make do with what I have so I can get something playable out there. Where? This is 3. Which one is this? So it's level 3. Which level is this? Is this level 1? I'm so confused. Oh, this is level 1. Okay. And this one is level 3. Rename. You know, honestly, I will just put these ones up here. That way I don't get confused. Name this to level 2. Alright, and let's just double check that these are correctly labeled. Level 1, 2. Oh, okay. 3 and 2. Okay. Which one of them didn't have a background, right? Okay, well, I'll throw the trees in there and see what this looks like. Not this one. I need to bring them down. Get a bigger brush. Let's see what this looks like. I gotta get rid of a little bit more of this background area. I think especially over here should be a little clearer. Not seeing a lot of owls. I don't know. So the original plan behind the owl was it was going to be an NPC. Maybe I'll throw it in as an Easter egg, but I don't think I have a spot for it in the demo right now. I could probably make a whole video on the stuff I'm not using. That's okay. I think it's okay for this one to be a little more closed up, but I'll still make a little bit more room. A little bit more. I can have the owl fly as a guide. The owl's bigger than the bird, though. I know what you mean, but... Or maybe I, like... No, I don't know if I'll be able to get, like, ghost runs and stuff up and running before the demo. I don't want to promise anything like that. Doing the music in, like, a month? I am. Let's figure out when we're gonna do it off stream, though. Actually, I don't know. I might just hop in and give a not very good soundtrack just to have something. I'll message you. I think this should be fine. Oh, I also need to make like a finish line. I don't know if we'll do that today though. Right, level 3. It's the same thing. We'll add the trees in the background. Gotta move them down. And we will start erasing. Oh. Background. How many levels will there be in the demo? As many as I can make. I think how I'm going to do it is I am going to make a mini demo, maybe of like 10-15 levels that you can only access from the Discord. And then I'll do an update with more levels, and then I'll advertise that one in the video. First 3 levels, I'm happy with this. This is fine. Let me work on the code a little bit. So let me... Can I just duplicate this scene? Make a new main menu. This should be play, right? Start game. Yes, this should be start button. What's the lore? Some people have gotten pretty close to what I'm planning for the lore. I don't know how much of it will be in the first iteration of the demo, because I'm going to have to scale it down a little bit. I don't know how much I want to say, but it's not too complicated. I don't know if I'll be adding 4,000 levels. That's kind of a lot. But maybe one day, I don't know. Actually, almost definitely not. Quit button, yeah. Alright, so let me open this, what is it? The script, is it main menu? Main menu manager. Where did I put the script? Oh, it's right here. But I think I need to go in here and manually disable these. I'll just comment them out. And then just load this soon. Thank you. Hi. We started like maybe 20 minutes ago. Didn't miss much. Okay, I'm gonna need a. It's here. Actually, let me just copy paste the canvas. That's just easier. Menu today? Yeah, so I'm thinking we do a lot of just level design and menus today. Will I do art for the menus? Yeah, probably. I don't know if I'll do that in today's stream, but yeah. Actually, I should probably keep that. I'll just do this. Managed to get the Spotify API working. You'll look into the YouTube one. Yeah, that does not seem very fun. But once it's working, it'll be really cool. Okay. This will be first item. Text. If I need really good free fonts, I can use a website called Fonts in the Wild. That sounds interesting. I will take a look. I do have a couple go-to fonts, but if I find something I like, I'll add it. So this will just be select, bold it, make it real big. Make it in the center. Is there an easier way to do this? That's fine for now. Let me make these buttons work with, let me add a game manager in here actually. And then go to start button. This will be level 1 button actually. Code level, so main menu will be 0, level select will be 1, so this will be 2. And then I just need to edit the build settings. Add open scenes. Main menu, level select, level 1. Let me go to level select. Repair. There's 62. Is there a project design channel in your Discord? Like one for other people's games? I think... You know, yeah, I can definitely add something like that. What if I add like a game dev channel? Is that kind of what you're talking about? Okay. I'll just do that right now. There's no game dev channel in the Discord. I don't know why the emoji looks like that. I'll change it later. Game designer dev channel. Yeah, I think those are both pretty much the same thing. Vladimir is here, the first fan artist. Welcome. Not doing too much today, just mainly like levels and just general stuff. 61. I have another error there. That's so annoying. Oh, whatever. I don't need this reference anyways. Found a playlist titled Songs I Think Bugs Would Like. It's a great name for a playlist. Hello? I have no errors. Why is button not buttoning? Is it being pressed at all? Let me just add. Am I being stupid? Do I not have... confused. What do I use to edit videos? I use Premiere. Which isn't a great option for everyone, but I've also tried Blender. Blender has a video editor, which it depends on how complicated your edits are going to be. If it's just cutting and stuff, you can just use Blender. But if you want more effects, I'd look into something else. I don't really know too many programs. I don't know why it won't let me throw a debug in here. So it works in the other scripts. Are you getting a role? So I think what I'm going to do is when we hit 100 members, I'm going to give everyone like an OG role. I'm not going to do like super specific ones for that. Kden Live is a free option. It's like the Audacity of video editors. It's a good show. I'll look into it after my my free Premiere expires. I don't know why this button isn't buttoning. Whatever, I'll just make more levels. Just gotta open with my other project and copy the code. Where is this butterfly? Oh, it's up here. I was a little confused. Oh, it's a different palette. I clicked the wrong one. There we go. Alright, let's start on this next level. We just change this up a bit. I might have you start a little higher in this one. Silly says awesome sauce. Hello, welcome to the stream. Mostly levels today. Trying to get the demo out as soon as I can. Hopefully within the month. Or by the end of the month. But we will see. Something like this. Maybe I force a glide here. I'm gonna need to make tooltips or something that shows up, tells you what the buttons do. So much stuff to do. Let's see how the heights of the jumps feel. Okay, that'll be a little bit too difficult, I think. I think there's probably a better way for me to force glide. Music's a bit too loud? Okay, no problem. I will turn it down. Is that a little better? Ooh, that's a little too close. Actually, is there any other spot where I force glide? I don't think so. Hey, yeah, definitely not level 1. What's the name of the game? Do you guys want to leak? I don't know if I want to leak it. Yeah, no, there are way too many people here for me to leak it. The name of the game will be announced with the demo. It is guessable, I think, though. Which is why I don't want to say too much. Alright, yeah, so none of this forces glide. But I kind of I want it to feel more like you're crossing a big gap. Game Bird. Why'd I hit play? I don't want it to play. When did I add the speedrun timer? I think it was off stream, but it was there yesterday, or on Wednesday. So it's probably like Monday or Tuesday. Bring the player Bird game Revenge of the Phoenix. Interesting idea. Game, bird, bird. A lot of guesses, not all of them good. Alright, I need to get rid of this roof. Could add wind tunnels that force you into gliding? Yeah, definitely. I think some sort of like updraft thing I'm definitely going to add. And also like a bouncy plant or something. Alright, so this is very possible with glide. It's kind of difficult without it. But the only problem is you can't really see it from here. So maybe I need to add a pan box. Like, you can't see where you're going. How to make the game resizable on Windows, because... so the only resizing that I did is I added like supported sizes. And, so you can play it in windowed mode. So it does full screen with whatever resolution you have, which if you have one of those super long monitors, playing in full screen will probably look really weird. But a lot of games have that problem. Like if I go to settings, I'll show you. So these are the supported resolutions, which scale evenly. And then you can go full screen, which will just use your whatchamacallit, your screens thing. It's a weird thing to start tackling, but I would start with getting like settings in game, so when you build it you can change it just to see what it looks like. Okay, let me add... What is this? Oh, it's all the way up here. I'll just steal this one, and this will become my pan box. Tixmir's internet is dead. Feels bad. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a pan box here. And basically what this will do is I will not swap cameras, I will pan to the right. 1.5, maybe that's alright, let's check. And I think we'll destroy it on exit as well. That is not far enough. 2, maybe? That is still not close. Do I get like an arrow or something, maybe? Yeah, it would need to be like 4. This would look weird coming up, right? Yeah. Give us a hint about the name. Okay, so I've mentioned this before, but the name was originally meant to be like named after the final boss. Or like the name has something to do with the final boss. The final boss is not going to be in the game for a really long time. So for that name to make sense, I think that name is now going to apply to the bird. But we'll see how far I get with the lore in the demo. But there is a name in the title. I think that's all I'm going to say for now. That's your hint. Just keep hitting the wrong buttons. Okay. Does this still force? It's still force glide. make it from here? Have a cutscene at the beginning where the final boss interacts with you? Exactly, yes. That's exactly what I'm planning, but it's also like, do I want to add that in the demo where the final boss isn't even there? I guess it could just be like coming soon, but to the main menu. The boss is not going to be on the... I'm not going to put the name of the game on the main menu while I'm live. I'm not that stupid. Could be a way to tease updates. Yeah, that's true. Okay, I don't know if I like this pan box. Let me try making it bigger. Just so it'll start panning sooner, and then I'll increase the pan time to like 1.2 or something. I think people will be okay with that, encourage them to get the full game. Well, I think by the time the full game is ready, the demo is gonna like fall off in popularity. I think the way I'd get people to come back is with a video. So I don't think it's necessary to have a teaser or something like that in the demo, but I think it could be interesting. I don't know. But that would just be another thing to add to the list, though. It's the only thing. I already feel like I have so much to do. I don't want to push back my timeline that much. Okay. So let me just make sure that the pan box feels natural. Depends if you update the demo or not. Yeah, I think what I'm probably going to do is I will do kind of like a bare bones demo without like a cutscene. Maybe what I have like in progress by the end of the month, and I'll open that up to only members of the Discord before I release like a public thing. We can consider it like a playtest or something. I think this is better. Do I even need this thing though? Yeah, I think it's kind of necessary because it just pushes the camera just that one little bit, so you can't actually see where you're going. And it'll force a double jump or a glide double jump. So I'll need to have a tooltip or something here that tells you how to do that. And maybe I put the finish line up here. If it doesn't make sense with the story, there's no reason to push it. So that's kind of it, but not exactly. It's more, I don't know how much I'm going to change with the smaller scope. If that makes sense. So I'll definitely need to make some changes. I don't know how many. Can I do like an empty? No, I can't. I just have to erase it like this. Eh? Oh, it went right back to brush when I didn't want it to. How rude. I also need to be careful not to make these levels too hard. Again, that's a playtesting thing. Let's see. That felt pretty smooth. Go up here. Okay, time to add the enemies. What do I want to add? Maybe I introduce a shrub. No, I don't want to introduce too much stuff at the same time. We'll go Chompy Butterfly. Throw a butterfly. Definitely here. Okay, Chompy. We can do it like up here so you can chain one of the grounded special moves into the glide. Where is the grid? Alright, 1 pixel to the left, 2 pixels up. Go ahead. Okay. Is that correct? Oh, I need 1 more to the left. This hitbox is... No, let me just fix it real quick. Because it barely doesn't line up with the sprite. That's the wrong collider. It's the one, right? Yeah. Then I'll override this. Oh. Here, override supply. Okay, that'll make it easier to place the chompies. And just to make sure, this will round when I hit play. Yeah. Is that a good... Oh, does that mess up the pan box? Or was it because I flipped around real quick? Oh. Going like this within a pan box does not work. Okay, just don't do that in there. The game you're making for Digital Media has me as inspiration. You mean Bird? Bird, very cool. That's awesome. You can post it in the Discord when you're done with it, and we'll all play it. Okay, so let me check to see if the special move was the reason why the pan box went crazy, or it was because I flipped around. Which, again, that might not be the best place to put the enemy then, if, like, you have to turn around to kill it. So it might kind of cause that. Make it one way. Yeah, but then I'd have to code some more. See, I don't think I have any. Yeah. I mean, I could add some more code. But I'm not looking to fix every little thing about this right now. I just need more content. So I will just move this guy back a little bit. Line him up with the grid. Dang it. Two pixels back. That's fine because it will round. Yep. It rounds right on the grid. Perfect. And then I could add another butterfly here. You do research about different game developers, and I'm the first person you thought to include. Well, I'm flattered. I would have picked somebody else, though, like someone who's actually made a good game. I've made like a couple game jams and half a game so far. I don't know if I earned that title yet. Just Kai says hi. Welcome. It's doing some regular old bird game shenanigans. That was meant to be a super jump. And the chompies are going to be kind of annoying. Okay. That's fine. Let's start doing the background a little bit. Erase, not the foreground, the background. And give me a little bit bigger of it. And it's definitely not possible to get up there. Okay. Should be fine. Maybe I should make you dip a little bit more with that attack. Let's see. And this will be the ending. There we go. It's another level. I think I'm gonna aim for at least 10 levels. So almost halfway. I say at least 10, because I want to make as many as I can. Level 5. Go back to background. Environment. The big one. There we go. Do 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 do. Wrong tile map, yeah. Alright, next level. Alright, I think it's time to introduce the shrub. So I get some blocks in here. Make this one a little claustrophobic. Close it up a bit. First shrub I'll throw in like right here. And this will go back up. Like this. And let me grab my shrub. Hello? He's all the way over there. You know, I think if I just override... Oh. Dang it. I thought that would work. Oh, he does blend in a lot with that background. I have to get rid of that. No. Alright, let's try this. Good. Oh, that's the background layer. Always the wrong layer. Butterfly. What's the timing on this? How did he dodge my attack? This is... Wait, is that a problem with the player hitbox? Attack 2. Yeah, I can change that hitbox a little bit. Combat, attack 2. Range 0.4. Yeah, it's a lot better. It'll hit a little bit above you. That's fine. Oh, I forgot to get rid of the Where is it? Switch trigger. The pan box. Just in case you can actually see up here, I'll make it look more like a funnel. Okay. And then I will add a chompy. One pixel to the left. Shoot. If that is correct, it will round into the correct spot. There we go. Ah, barely missed. Maybe I alter this attack to hit more to the sides and just below. Or maybe it's a skill issue. Oh, I just realized you can stall yourself with the attack instead of using glide back here. Level 4. Alright, so if I... Yeah, if you use the attack, you can stall yourself. Actually, you can just make it with a good double jump. Am I okay with that? Oh, it's a double jump that requires momentum. Yeah. You know what? I think that's fine. As long as I have the pop-up. Yeah, that can kind of give you an idea of how strong the momentum is in this game. But, is that the end of the playlist? It is. Okay. Well... let's restart it, shall we? Anky's back. Hello. We got like a level and a half done since you left, I think. That's stun time different? Because that second one feels a lot faster. I thought I used the same variable. It might just be that the tornado one stops your momentum a little bit more. Yeah, I think they use the same variable. Which is up here, the stun time. Doo-doo-doo. Maybe I make a falling map. No, not yet. You haven't really climbed out. The fog is looking very cool. Thanks. I think it looks a lot better with the trees in the background, which is why, like, they weren't originally going to be in these levels, but I think they do look pretty good together. Let me get a bigger brush and erase some of this. Alright, what do I want to do here? So, are there any mechanics that I haven't introduced yet that I want to be required? Maybe I could make a place where the fire tornado is kind of required. Like maybe there's a shrub in kind of a weird location that it's quicker to send a tornado after it. I think I'll do that for now. I still might rework the fire tornado. But I think if I have, like, an area up here. And there's a shrub in here. It would be easier to send in a fire tornado. And then we can go down here. Little tunnel. A little smaller. Let's see how the tunnel feels. So intended is like this, you fall. You can make it out pretty quick. Okay. This will be fun. I do want to figure out why the stun feels longer on the tornado move. I'll do that later. Grab a shrub. And we'll put him up here. Flip it around. We'll start facing left. There we go. There we go. Or maybe I make it snake up here so you can watch him die. That's interesting. A little claustrophobic here. Maybe it's more that this goes up and there are platforms. Actually, I think you can just get out this way. Oh, I had a platform there just in case. So let me do it with the tornado so I can see if the timing is right, to where you can see him die. Oh, I missed. Oopsie. Wait, did it disappear? It probably got stuck. Does it not go far enough? Maybe I just increased the range. 2 flame... Speed? I could do speed. 1.3? Range 2.8. See what this looks like. Barely is. I could just make this tunnel a little smaller. I don't want to change too much about the ability. It'll still be faster to descend it. Yeah, the timing will absolutely not be right though. Maybe I don't bring this down as much. Ooh, if I move this one over, it's a cool jump here. Or you have to utilize coyote time, maybe? Aha! I like that. I think it's even, with momentum, I think it's even possible with one less block. We'll keep it like this. butterfly over here, and then I'll mess with the timing a little bit. Not right now. And let me just move this over here. Alright, that'll be the end. What am I doing? Do I want platforms up there? I'll just, I'll close it off. That way you kind of know that it's going down. Alright, let's try it out. Yeah, I want the butterfly to be further in by the time you get there. That way projectile is optimal. You can also add a pin up there. There we go. See what a pan up looks like. And up by like not that much. Why does it not go up? It's because the pan time is too high? Maybe. Actually, yeah, I think that was it. We'll turn this to 0.5. 2.4. A little bit faster. Maybe pin up just a little bit more. Do 1.2. Whatever. That's good. Maybe I want to keep it all throughout here. Because that just makes the jumps weird. There we go. That's a fun level. Okay. Let's do another one. I'll do another climbing up one. Maybe instead of going like just left to right, it's a lot more verticality to this one. Which for that, I will just get rid of a lot of this. And well, maybe I could make it a little bit longer. What is this? Oh, it's a little remnant from earlier. Main tile map. There we go. Make some platforms. I think I actually just want to block this part off. Actually, no, that doesn't make sense. I'll do it like this. How much stream left? You're gonna start working soon? I am not sure. Maybe an hour? I'd say around an hour. Okay. You added post-processing to make it look really nice, so glowy and shit. Awesome. I haven't gotten around to that yet. I think, I don't know, like, graphics in general are just low on my priorities right now. As you can see with the background. It's definitely my weakest point. But maybe I need to watch a video or two as well. It takes 2 minutes and you were bored. Oh, if it's that easy, maybe I do need to just watch a video. I'm gonna need to block this whole area off though. There's not gonna be anything there. Okay. Now enemies. They're always up. I always scroll down when I'm looking for the enemies. Maybe we should start scrolling up. See how this level goes. Need to move that butterfly up a little bit. Where does this one go? Right here. It's fine. A little bit too much coyote time there. Alright. Not bad. Okay. Let me go to the background. I think I almost want this whole area gone. How high does this go? Okay, right about there. Okay. Okay, not a bad level. I think I need to adjust the timing on these two butterflies a little bit. Maybe I just put this one right here. Okay. How do you make your character sprint under shift? Well, the bird doesn't sprint, but you could just increase like the speed variable when you hold down shift. Make it go faster. The bird uses momentum, so it's a little bit different. Or you just have it as a different state in the animations, and holding shift keeps it in that state. There are a bunch of different ways you can do it. I think since I haven't made a sprint thing like that myself, I would look up a tutorial. There are probably better ways that I'm not thinking of, but these are a couple options if you're looking for a place to start. How to write it to detect when shift is pressed. So are you using the input system package or the regular input system? Is what I use the input actions. So what I would do with this is similar to what I did with the glide, where movement, glide. Where is my glide? Yeah, so I did when if you're using the input system package, I would do it this way. So when it's held, you like change, instead of fall speed, it would be like move speed, and then when it's canceled, you set it back to what it was before. But that's how I would do it with this input system. I don't remember exactly how the legacy one works, but there's got to be like a hold function or something. Well, I'll do a level with 2 bats. This one goes, we have to go up. This one we have to go bottom. Oh, our first 3 shrub level. Why not? Okay. Do I have any more stray squares that need to be erased? I think I got them all. Get button down, shift. Yeah. I mean, does that work? Or is it get button down, or is there like a hold version of that? Because with the new or the input system package, I do when it's held. No. Well, maybe this is a good time to switch. If you want to do controller support on your game, you kind of need the input system package, or it'll be really annoying. So maybe you do just need to switch to the package. At least that's what I did. There's probably a way. I don't know. I just used a newer version though. You need to delete your code. Don't delete anything yet. I'd try to do some Googling. I assume you have a little bit already, but yeah, I just don't use the legacy input system. So I don't know if I could be of much help. Which I think the advantages of the new one kind of make the old one very bad in comparison. Because basically what I do here is it calls an event, and I just like click the buttons on which ones will do that. So for the controller, you just do gamepad button south, and it'll work for every controller that has a south button. I just think that's a lot better. So it might be worth changing to that. I think Brackeys did a video on that too. Yeah, new input system is good. That's world record pace right there. Like 15 seconds for this one. Anki says the old input system is there for legacy support, so they don't have to rewrite the entire code, but new games should use the new one, which I kind of agree. I think the package is just better, but it depends on how deep you are into it. Because I think you could definitely find, like, you could find a way to do the sprint. But then again, is that just a band-aid solution to where you'll avoid a lot more problems in the future by doing it the other way? I don't know. Oh, I want background. I'm the only one with access to the game. Genius way to secure my world records. Yeah, pretty much. There just weren't really any mistakes in that attempt. I think what I might do is when I actually release it, I will record my times, and I'll only release the videos of it when people beat it. I think that could be a cool way to do it. Because I feel like if I, like... Obviously, I made the game, so I'm more comfortable with the mechanics. So I'll be a little bit ahead of people once it comes out, I think. I could be wrong, but then I just release them earlier. I don't want everyone getting all the strats from me. That might be a little high. Nope, we hit him. Sub 15, sub 15. Okay, this level's good. See, how many levels do we have? 8 levels, not bad. I kind of want to play through some of them, just to see how they feel in order. Just don't release the game ever and I get the world record. True. Everyone can find exploits. I think that's definitely going to happen. I don't expect to keep the world records, but I don't want to just, like, give away the strats. I think part of what makes it fun is, like, discovering the strats yourself. So I don't want to just, like, show what I did. Someone will complete my map in 1.45 seconds. Maybe. Yeah, I believe it. But I just don't want to, like, give all of the good strats away. I think part of, like, the fun is exploring and seeing what you can get away with. I think I've gotten most of the bugs, though. I don't think there's going to be any significant speed boost kind of bugs. Just because of how... I think my movement system is good. I don't think there's much room for exploitation there. Animating sprites takes so long for you. Have I done any animations in other streams? Yes, I did the boss animations, which I probably won't use at this point. In one of the other streams, but I'm also not fast. I did like 2 animations in 2 hours. Good thing you aren't streaming so no one can see. Well, I mean, Yeah, I guess you're right. But still. I guess it doesn't really matter. But yeah, I don't think my animations are good enough to follow along with, because a lot of what I do is just trial and error. Yeah, I think the best reference, if you're looking for like a video to kind of show you how to go about doing it, Adam Eunice is the one that I use for this fire. He had a good fire video. I'm sure there are other ones where he does like a tutorial on how to make stuff. There we go. Alright, on to the next level. Oop. Okay. Forgot where this next enemy is. Right there. That was supposed to be a... No! My world record pace, it's gone. There we go. Someone will figure out that frame perfect input while jumping against a corner teleports you to the end. I hope not. I do expect there to be bugs, but actually, no, if it's frame perfect, I don't think anyone will accidentally run into it, so it might be fine to leave something like that in. I don't know. Ghoul has returned with fettuccine alfredo. Very nice. Ryback asks, how old am I? I am 22. Got him. Oh, I didn't kill this guy. Okay, next level. I'm also gonna need to determine like how to rank the times. I think I could probably use like first run averages on the playtests to give like 1, 2, or 3 stars on a level. Oh no, I canceled my attack. This level might need some touch-ups I missed. What? How did he hit me? Who designed this game? What the heck? Okay, I think I need to give it some more background. Just a little bit of this. Maybe I go back to the main tile map and add just like a little bit of rounding to these corners, not on the hidden tile, to the main tile map. Just make it so it's not so sharp. Unique background objects would help a lot. Yeah, definitely. You've accidentally activated wall cling storage in Hollow Knight multiple times. It's a frame perfect thing. You get a stored second jump. That's interesting. Is that a newer development? I haven't really been tapped into Hollow Knight speedrunning for a while. I mean, the main ones I remember are like, when you hit the inventory as you're falling off a ledge, you get like the fast fall. What other glitches are there? I don't know, I can't think of too many. There's also like the crystal dash skip. It's skipping like the pools of acid, but that's not really a glitch. Okay. Have I ever beaten Pantheon 5? I've beaten Pantheon 5 with at least 2 bindings before. I think what I might do is maybe I just do like a stream where I try to do it all bindings. I've gotten past Markoth on all bindings, but I haven't beaten it all bindings. I think one of the reasons, like, because I didn't realize you could actually have a Pantheon without Zote. So I lost to Zote a couple times in Pantheon 5 all bindings. So I need to get a file where I don't save them. You did everything but Pantheon 5 and died on Markoth. Yeah. It, like, with the charms and stuff that you can get, as long as you play a little bit slow, you can get a lot of value out of your charms. That's basically what I'm saying. Glitch speedruns in Hollow Knight are insane. I guess the only ones I really watch are like any percent, no major glitches. You'd skip entire biomes. Damn. Well, I guess like that. The fact that I still haven't seen any of that, kind of, you know, I feel less bad about who's existing in Bird Game. Because I got like 200 hours in Hollow Knight. I'm dead. I gotta get back into speedrunning. Gotta find a game. Actually, Multiverses is coming back out. Maybe I don't need to find a speedrunning game. I'm excited for that. I used to play Tom and Jerry a lot. I've got like 100 hours. When does it come out? Is it like, it's the end of May, right? Let me check the date. May 28th. So we have 11 days until I get to play Multiverses. In your opinion, no bugs should be visible to the average player, but for those who spend thousands of hours speedrunning, it's like an Easter egg. Yeah, I completely agree. Multiverses was fun for that 1 week. Oh, but you stopped playing after that 1 week. That 1 week was great. I like it when a lot of people join or like start playing a new fighting game. Like it happened for Street Fighter 2, where you feel like you can just improve really fast, but then as people like start logging off, it gets harder and harder to improve. But Multiverses, I thought like you could do singles and doubles. So and it was kind of balanced for both the modes too. So I felt like it was like you could always go back and do something new, and there were enough characters where I didn't really get bored. It had its problems, but hopefully with the re-release it'll get fixed. I'm excited for the rollback netcode. That's like the only reason I'm not more into Smash. Is I can't stand playing online. It just feels so terrible. Ah, dang it. Mistimed jump. You kind of want this new Marvel Overwatch clone to be good so Blizzard stops ruining their company. I wish it was good. From the gameplay that I've seen, it's got a lot of the same problems that Overwatch does. Maybe the dev team will be like more attentive and better with updates and stuff. But I mean, when GOATS is good, it's a sad day. Which I actually didn't check in. Is the competitive mode in the Marvel Rivals role locked? Because if it's role locked, it might be a little bit better, but from what I've seen, there's going to be a hard meta off launch, which is not great. I mean, I can't see anything from just a regular Google search. But I heard that apparently it's going to start with role lock, which could make it a little better. But I am a little worried for the balance of Marvel Rivals, to say the least. His tanks are very strong. Yeah. Design it around classic Overwatch. Yeah, I think if we were to go back to classic Overwatch today, it would suck. I think it's like that Fortnite problem where when people get good at like building, for example, it just ruins the mechanic. It's like it only works off launch, because if you go back and watch some Roadhog clips from original Overwatch, yikes. And the way people could abuse shit like that today. There were like You could count the number of good Overwatch patches on one hand. I don't know. They just need to update more often. Blizzard's like, oh, you think you want that, but you don't? Yeah. They do have a history of, like, thinking they know what's best, and then, like, the community's just saying, like, please, Rollock, no more goats, and they're like, I don't know, map bans? I don't know, I don't think I want to put map bans into a competitive game. That sounds like a bad idea. Like, if they just took out all of the maps besides, like, King's Row and Ilios, the game would be so much better. I mean, they took out Paris, to be fair. But I guess 2CP doesn't exist anymore, so it doesn't really matter. Hanzo can't one-shot anyone. Yeah, so they did a rework of the damage and healing in the game. Oh, by Tail, by the way. I still don't know, like, all the, like, breakpoints and damage numbers from that, because I haven't played in a while. But I know they did rework a bunch of, like, projectile sizes and damage numbers. And I'm kind of fine with Hanzo not being able to one-shot, but I don't know. I guess I'd have to play him more to see how he feels without that capability. Because you can't really play him at range that much anymore if you're not one-shot headshotting. He'd be more mid-range, I think. Like, you'd have to stay at mid-range, and I don't know. I don't know how that would work. It might ruin the character. But I haven't really seen anyone complaining about Hanzo. Giant stray cat in the kitchen asking for food. Give him food. He's hungry. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really get a lot of stray cats where I'm from. But I don't know. It could probably be hard to not just feed them. You're curious what's going to happen to all these companies in 5 to 10 years? There's a lot of stuff that's like shifting that I think will be good for indie games. I think right now is probably the best time to make indie games. But you know, companies, they'll come back. Ubisoft stocks are tanking right now. I haven't really kept up too much with the big companies. I think a lot of like my favorite games are just indie games. And I do not hate that. Indie game prices are being pushed up, which is good for devs. I think the quality is also going up too. I think that makes sense, especially when they can compete with the AAA games. There's just been a lot of really good indie games recently. And I mean, even like, if you look at Hades 2, what is it like? It's gotta be like $30, $40. I think Hades is better than most AAA games. Like, that game is insane. I haven't played Hades 2 or watched it. I want to get it when it comes out, because I don't think the story is complete right now. Which, you know, that's kind of an essential part of the game. And I don't want to have to replay it for the story. The only AAA you've bought or played is Baldur's Gate 3. I don't even know if I have bought any AAA games in a while. You stop being the target audience, yeah. I think the only AAA game that I want to play is Elden Ring, but I'm also not ready to give up like 300 hours of my life to it. I know it's the DLC now. Like, that game would be worth it, but Baldur's Gate 3 is indie. I think, yeah, it's like technically indie, but a lot of people when AAA is like involved say it's like just the budget and the money that goes into it, which, like, it's a technicality, but I can kind of see where it's coming from. Let me check. I'm looking at my Steam list right now. I don't know any AAA games that I've really bought or even played recently. Like, I stopped playing Overwatch, like, well, actually, you know what? Multiverses isn't indie. They're published by Warner Brothers. Dang. I'm gonna play that for sure. I guess, does Street Fighter count? I think it might be Street Fighter for me then, the last AAA game I played. I also didn't play it that much. Last AAA game you played was Skyrim. Nice. Dang it, is that jump possible with just one of these? You gotta time the jump right, like maybe with the coyote time. I think it's possible without the double jump, but it's okay. That timing is so tight though. Maybe with a little momentum. Unless you count Minecraft. Yeah. I actually haven't played Minecraft in a long time. Oh, yeah, you can. That might be a cool speedrun jump. Like, what was the last update since I played Minecraft? Is this the last song on the playlist? It's on shuffle, so I won't know until it ends. But it's only played twice today. I don't think I've played since Caves and Cliffs. It's a couple years. Damn. I don't know, I'd be open to playing Minecraft again, but I'd need a reason. I don't know if I could do it for content, but you're working on a mod. Yeah, that's a good. I mean, I am doing a game dev channel. Maybe I'd make a Minecraft mod. Do that for a video. Oh, you're right. This is the last song. Okay, I'll probably wrap up in a minute. I haven't really been doing much for the last 20 minutes. You've played Roblox? I haven't actually played Roblox. I probably should have. Just because of how, like, culturally important it seems to be. But I have not touched Roblox at all. It's only fun with friends. Ah, that's the problem. Yeah, that might be an interesting video, though, making a Minecraft mod. Adding a Phoenix to Minecraft. So, when you do, like, Minecraft mods, is it just, like, a Java plugin? Or is there, like a not a game engine, but, like, a software that's usually used for it? I don't know if that's Googleable, but you seem to have some experience. I figured I'd ask you. There's a mod loading. You might have to check it out. Or Forge. Oh, yeah, I've heard of Forge. Is that what you use to create it, though? Or is that just, like, where it's hosted? Neo Forge all the way? Let me take a look. I think that could be a good YouTube video. While I'm doing my game jams and stuff. Throw in a Minecraft mod. So I need to do like a Scratch game and a Minecraft mod. You know, I think I'll probably just watch some videos and see like what people are saying, the general consensus of what the best way to make a mod is. There's a Scratch game jam coming up. What the heck? I was not made aware of this. I don't know if I'll finish. I don't know if I want to take a break from Bird Game before I put out the demo. They're giant APIs, basically. It's cool. I'll do game jams. On the 23rd. Ooh, I probably won't be ready in time. Let me see. There's also a Godot jam that starts in 27 days. Yeah, there are a lot of Godot game jams, actually. I don't think I'll have any problem finding them when I'm ready. I just found a link. I can link it to you guys. The Scratch game jam. That's the Scratch game jam. Next mini jam is Ocean. You can directly inject code. Reasonably easy. That's actually cool. I think I'll almost definitely do that. I mean, I do have to learn Java, but it took me like a few days to learn C++. I kind of know C#, and I've used JavaScript before. I don't think the transition to Java would be that difficult. Very easy to transition from C#. Okay, that's good to hear. Okay, I think I've been yapping for a bit now. I haven't gotten too much done. I think I'm going to end the stream. I'm going to get some food, and then I will try to fix the, whatchamacallit, the level select screen. Which I'm not really sure what's wrong with it, but I have another project that it works in, so I'll probably just go back and copy and paste. But yeah. Thank you for everyone who stopped by, who's still here. I got a lot of levels done today, actually. I think I got like 4 or 5 levels. So not completely pointless stream this time. Usually I work the fast stuff stream, but I got a lot done today. So thank you everyone for stopping by. I'm gonna end now. I'll see you next time. Next stream will probably be Monday, but again, I'll post a schedule on Sunday in the Discord. So, see you guys later. Bye, Texmir. Bye, Clickertail. Bye, Aki. Bye, Adam. Adios. See you next time. Bye-bye.